Does Nation? What's good, YouTube family? Woo! I know, man. I'm looking rough. You feel me? My bad, but whatever. Today's gonna be a different video. I haven't done a what I eat in a day video in a minute. As you can see, the do-rag is still on strong, man, because it's quarantine done. And you know what I'm saying? The barbershops are closed, man. I've been trying to line my stuff up a little bit, but it's just not the same, man. So, you know, we're gonna be rocking the do-rag until, you know, things calm down a little bit. Looking type rough. Today is a very simple day, man. A lot of you guys haven't asked me, what do I eat as a plant-based athlete? For those of you guys that don't know, you know what I'm saying, I've been plant-based now for over half a decade. So, I'm about to show you the first thing I'm about to do. I'm actually, I just woke up and I'm about to actually go to the park and get my sprints out for the day. I typically don't really eat first thing in the morning. I've never been the type of guy that likes to have something in my stomach during my early morning workouts. So the first thing that I do, I'm actually about to take an ACV shot. This is what I do every single morning, and I also do it sometimes during the night. So this is the first thing I do. I'm about to go run some sprints fasted. And I gotta be honest with you, man, this is nasty. Like, it don't taste good, but it gets you shredded. It gets you shredded, man, so we gotta do it. All right, so on your count, right? 1, 2, I gotta chase. I have to chase it with some water, man. My eyes are watering. Yo, I gotta be honest with you. For all of you doing the apple cider vinegar challenge, you know it don't taste good, man. It tastes horrible, but the result it gets you is remarkable. Like, you can seriously lose a lot of fat in like 30 days. So I've been rocking with that as I increase my food intake, because I've been filming a lot of fitness videos for you guys, and so because of that, my energy, you know, has to be through the roof. With that being said, man, I'm about to get dressed because I gotta, you know what I'm saying, I gotta go run these sprints, man.
A few moments later.
Alright, family, so as I said, man, I don't like to eat anything first thing in the morning. I normally bring some water with some branched chain amino acids. This way, I'm not losing muscle mass while training fasted. Because lately, I haven't been eating a lot, and I've been losing some weight, and that's bad. I've been working so much and like filming all these fitness videos, and I've been eating like probably 1 meal a day, so I gotta get my weight back up to like 220. Right now I'm at about 216 pounds, you feel me? But this is the branched chain amino acid that I take. This is from Clean Machine. Honestly, this is my favorite plant-based branched chain amino acid right now. Maybe I'll find something better in the future, I don't know, but right now I'm rocking with this because it is clean. It gets its amino acids and electrolytes from coconuts and lemon. So I'm down for it, man. I'll link it down below, but I'm actually almost out of it. So I'm about to add the rest of it in here. So I typically like to add that in there with some alkaline spring water. You know, that way I'll make sure that I'm staying hydrated and not losing muscle mass, man, as I said. But this wouldn't be complete without an actual lemon being in there. So I got my lemon. It's time to alkalize my body. Alkalize my body. Whatever that means. And we good to go. Let's get this money. Let's go grind.
I can't believe that I made it here. Bus rounds in my bus stop. No help, all me get money on 3 game plan. In the hills talking real figures. Got heel figure on the waistband. Like 4 bands, 4 hours, fuel efficient. Just know I get it done. Life a dream, life a game. All the same, look like I really won.
The city of Townsville. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all, man. But obviously, Las Vegas is a ghost town right now, man. Much like everybody else during this coronavirus pandemic. But I've been trying to get it in, and a lot of you guys have asked me how am I training since all the gyms are closed. And this is pretty much it, man. I've been going to the park with my lady about 2 to 3 times a week when nobody's there. And I've been getting some sprints, or in today's case, a light jog. We did about 68 light moderate jogs to sprints, and I've been getting in a second training session at nighttime, which is mainly strength with bands and stuff, in conjunction to all of the fitness videos that I have been filming for you guys. So this is pretty much it, man.
A few moments later.
All right, man, just got some work done running sprints with the missus. Boo, how you feeling?
Why you trying to talk me out?
How you feeling?
Tired.
Tired. Okay. So when she tired, she got an attitude, you feel me? But yeah, man, we getting out some work for the morning. And now it's time to eat, man. That's her tired face. Are you done being grumpy now?
No.
Alright, man, y'all caught me, man. Y'all see how rough I'm looking right now, man, with this quarantine, you feel me? I'm looking type rough. But anyway, let me show you what I'm about to eat, man. First meal of the day. So, as you can see right here, man, I just got some cut up veggies. I got some peppers, sweet peppers. I got some onion, red cabbage, tomatoes, and I'm about to make some tofu scramble. While I was actually at the park running, I did soak up some sea moss that I'm gonna be making later. I actually just stocked up on sea moss because I had ran out, but I typically have a sea moss smoothie or shake every single day. For those of you guys that don't know, I'm a very big advocate of sea moss. Sea moss is a natural sea vegetable that is off the coast of a few places, but I get mine off the coast of Jamaica and St. Lucia, and it has 90% of the minerals that the human body is made of. So I'm soaking that for later. Right now though, we about to get to this tofu scramble, man. I'm about to show you how I be saucing it up. You see, what you gotta do, man, is you gotta put a little bit of that grapeseed oil in there, just like that. Yeah, just like that, right? Boom. Turn on the fire, you know what I'm saying? The fire. And let it heat up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? We gonna saute all these veggies. Once that oil is hot, man, you gotta stir it around, man. But be delicate though, you feel me? Can't be rushing it. Stir it around. I'm gonna add some garlic, sea salt, crushed pepper, oregano, thyme, basil. This is gonna be so good. This is what we're rocking with, man. I got all the seasoning in it. And after this is cooked down, I'm gonna add some greens and I'm gonna add some vegan cheese. This is probably my favorite brand of vegan cheese by far. I would definitely have to say it's probably between this and a brand called Chow. Yeah, I got some turmeric in here, man. It smells so good. Alright, so while the veggies are sauteing, I'm about to make me some pineapple and celery juice. Look, man, this is as real as it gets, you feel me? Quick and simple. I'm not one of these YouTubers that has the fancy setup and the nice lighting. This is how I look, man. A super ripe pineapple with some celery. About to cut it up, and I'm gonna add some spring water to it, blend it up. It's gonna be so delicious. I'm probably gonna add a little bit of honey in there as well, man. So as those greens are on there and they're being cooked down, I added some cheese on top. And I'm about to just cover it up and just let it melt inside, man. Meanwhile, I'm about to make some toast, as well as make that celery juice. Alright, family, so I'm at my desk, man. This is where all the magic happens, all the videos are made and stuff like that. So this is the final result of the breakfast, man. Like I said, I'm not one of these fancy YouTubers with their special effects and all that shit, man. But over here, man, we got the simple tofu scramble, cheesy tofu scramble. We got some organic tangerine, I think it's called, gluten-free toast, and I'm about to spread some of this vegan cream cheese on it, sliced avocado, and that celery and pineapple juice that I just made, man. So this is gonna be meal number one. I'm not somebody that counts macros, so I don't know how much protein is in here, but if I had to guess, man, this is about half a brick of tofu. I would say this is anywhere between this and the bread that actually has seeds in it and protein. There's probably like 70 grams of protein right here. So as always, man, I gotta have that ketchup on deck.
Seconds later.
Alright, family, what's up? So this is my snack, my first snack of the day, and I'm actually editing this video that you're watching right now. I'm actually eating my first snack. This is what I got. Dried figs and some pumpkin seeds. This is a great snack, man. I love that contrast between sweet and salty. You feel me? So this is my little snack. You know what I'm saying? And if you haven't tried dried figs and seeds, yo, you missing out. It's mad good.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so it's time for the second meal. I've already rinsed off my sea moss and I drained it, and I'm about to make my sea moss gel. I'm having some asparagus and roasted potatoes in the air fryer. I'm about to add some grapeseed oil, sea salt, fresh parsley, some pepper, some garlic, onion, all that good stuff. I've got some leftover quinoa and rice from last night, and some beans, and I'm also gonna saute a Beyond Burger, man. So this should be amazing. This is one of my go-to meals right here. So this is meal number 3, man. This is one of my favorite meals to make. So I've got some black beans on quinoa, a Beyond Burger with some vegan cheese, pickles, sauteed onions, some roasted potatoes, and some asparagus. Yo, you gotta try this meal out. This meal tastes so good. It's so filling. It has everything I need: protein, carbs. I got my micronutrients in here, and it just tastes good, man. Have I said that enough? So now all I need to make this meal complete is I'm about to take some of my sea moss that I just made and make a berry smoothie, and let's get straight to that, man. So I'm about to add in my banana, berries, purple sea moss, and now I'm gonna add some of my ashwagandha. I've already spoken about this plenty of times, man. I don't gotta say what this stuff is. Creatine and L-glutamine. And this was the final result, guys. I had black beans on quinoa and brown rice, roasted potatoes with asparagus, a Beyond Burger with vegan cheese and pickles, and of course a sea moss berry smoothie. Alright guys, so this is the final thing I'm having tonight. These are some soursop leaves from my dad's crib in Florida, and I'm just about to steep these while I get in my last workout of the night. Steep this for about an hour or so, and then I'm gonna boil it up and have some soursop tea. So fam, this was the last thing I had tonight, man. Every day is different for me. Some days I eat 3 meals, some days I eat 4, some days I eat 2, and even some days I eat 1. I'm really focusing on just intuitive eating lately, and I've just been allowing my body to tell me what it's craving. So this isn't necessarily what I eat every day. This was just one individual day, and I like to mix different things around, man. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a big like, subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload, man. But as always, peace, love, and light, family, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed.